Pariksha Pe Charcha and a new version of it. Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacting with the students, the future of this country in a Charcha but in a new avatar. So this new form that has been taken, a very interesting one. We are told that who all were present with the students? Sadhguru, Mary Kom, Deepika, Vikrant Massey. So different films, different sectors, they were all present to interact with the young guns of this country, future voters, future leaders who will take the country ahead. Experts or celebrities are going to join this Modi Vidyarthi talk. So we are told that this is going to be a pep talk with the celebrity gurus and all about how to be a good student and not be a warrior.
परीक्षा पे चर्चा का होगा नया अंदाज।
नमस्ते जी। मकर संक्रांति में क्या खाते हैं? तिल गुड़। एक ही लेना ऐसा नियम नहीं है।
इस 8वें एडिशन में प्रधानमंत्री जी के इस सफल अभियान में जुड़ेंगे और भी नए चेहरे, जो 8 अलग-अलग एपिसोड में बच्चों को एग्जाम की तैयारी का नया रास्ता सिखाएंगे।
Everybody can sparkle and do things that others cannot imagine.
नेक्स्ट वर्ड को रिवर्स कर दोगे तो क्या होगा?
दुनिया का सबसे जो अच्छा कैमरा है वो ये है।
आपको वो कन्विक्शन होना कि आई एम केपेबल ऑफ डूइंग दिस,
और उनकी टेंशन को छू मंतर कर देंगे और बच्चे एग्जाम वॉरियर से एग्जाम वॉरियर बन जाएंगे। पढ़ाई के साथ साथ बच्चे तैयारी के समय स्ट्रेस फ्री रहना, टेक्नोलॉजी का सही इस्तेमाल, खेल, क्रिएटिव एनर्जी, न्यूट्रिशन, मेंटल हेल्थ और जीवन के जरूरी सबक भी सीख पाएंगे। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का हर शब्द, हर सुझाव आपको नई ऊर्जा और आत्मविश्वास से भर देगा।
पढ़ेगा इंडिया,
तो दोस्तों तैयार हो जाइए पढ़ाई की टेंशन को बाय बाय बोलने के लिए, क्योंकि 10 फरवरी सुबह 11 बजे होने वाली है पीएम के साथ परीक्षा पे चर्चा।
So, Pariksha Pe Charcha 2025. Let me bring in my colleague Aishwarya Paliwal on this. Aishwarya, we have seen Prime Minister Modi interacting and giving a lot of lessons, especially on how to not worry that there will be these hurdles that can be cleared. But how is this one special? How is this one different then?
Well, the difference definitely, is making sure that the Prime Minister has made sure that it's not just him, but people from different areas, people who can actually inspire the youth of the country. They are also the ones who will be speaking out. And Pooja, this is something that the young guns actually look forward to. They want to meet people with whom they can speak with. Prime Minister Modi, over the past almost 10 years has been speaking with the students. Now, a little bit of a change and an experiment also that the government is now looking at doing, making sure that people from different fields are being brought in. They will speak with the students and they will also, in a way, guide the students, because that is exactly what children at that age want, Pooja. They want someone who they look up to speak with them, and they also want some kind of guidance and aspiration coming in. So that is what the government now is looking at, and given the popularity that we have seen over the past decade of this show, we will see that this is just the beginning. We will see other celebrities also joining in and speaking with the students. It will be a golden opportunity for the students, and the government believes that they will be able to bridge the gap between what the students feel and what they want and how they can achieve it. Through this, they are looking at making sure that they make sure that there is a bridge, and once the students speak with these people, they will get a clarity and idea, and also maybe we will see some of the future kids coming out and saying that this is exactly what they want to do in future after they meet the celebrities.
So interesting there, of course, because there is going to be an interaction with Prime Minister Modi, but other successful individuals there in their respective field who are often looked up to as inspirational and have a lot of wisdom to share as well. They are going to be a part of these interactions and perhaps help many of these children dream big and dream better.
और बच्चे एग्जाम वॉरियर से एग्जाम वॉरियर बन जाएंगे।